Hey there, Globetrotters! Welcome back to Travel Tips and Hack Channel. This is Gradventure. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or about to embark on your first international adventure, one thing remains constant: preparation is key. In today's video, we're diving into the top 9 crucial preparations you need to make before you jet off to explore new horizons. From travel documents to cultural etiquette, we've got you covered. So, grab your notepads because you won't want to miss these essential tips that will ensure a smooth and unforgettable journey. Let's jump right in. Here are the list of the top 9 crucial preparations for international travel. Let's begin. Number 1. Travel documents and essentials. Passport and visa, if required. Boarding passes and travel itinerary. Travel insurance documents. Driver's license, if planning to rent a car. Health insurance information. Emergency contact information. Number 2. Money and payment. Local currency or small amount of foreign currency for immediate expenses. Credit and debit cards, notify your bank about your travel dates. Travel wallet or money pouch. Number 3. Clothing and accessories. Appropriate clothing for the destination's weather and cultural norms. Comfortable walking shoes. Swimwear, if applicable. Raincoat or umbrella. Hat and sunglasses. Scarf or shawl. Number 4. Toiletries and personal care. Toothbrush, toothpaste, and floss. Shampoo and conditioner in travel-size containers. Soap or body wash. Hairbrush or comb. Sunscreen and insect repellent. Prescription medications and any necessary medical supplies. Number 5. Electronics and gadgets. Smartphone and charger. Travel adapter or converter for power outlets. Portable power bank. Camera and memory cards. Laptop or tablet, if needed. Earphones or headphones. Number 6. Entertainment and reading material. Books, magazines, or e-reader. Travel guidebooks or maps. Travel journal or notebook. Number 7. Health and safety. First aid kit with essentials like band-aids, pain relievers, and antiseptic wipes. Hand sanitizer or sanitizing wipes. Prescription medications and a copy of the prescriptions. Allergy medication or EpiPen, if needed. Number 8. Snacks and hydration. Snacks for the journey. Reusable water bottle. Number 9. Miscellaneous. Luggage locks. Travel pillow and eye mask. Portable laundry detergent for longer trips. Sewing kit and safety pins. Zip-top bags for storing liquids or organizing items. Travel umbrella. And there you have it, fellow adventurers, the top 9 crucial preparations for your upcoming international travel. So remember, whether you're exploring ancient landmarks, savoring local cuisines, or simply immersing yourself in a new culture, being well-prepared allows you to fully embrace the beauty and diversity of our world. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming travel tips.